Right. We're going to do whole sentence, writing a sentence, okay? We're going to use this word here. This word is or s. Look at that s at the end. It's got a silent e. The special friend is s, but we don't hear the e. S, horse, horse. Our sentence is the short black horse. The short black horse. The short black horse. How many words in that sentence? 4. The short black horse. The short black horse. What's my first word? The. How do I write the? Brilliant. What do I need at the start of a sentence? A capital letter. The. The. Let's see if I've written it how you've told me to write it. The. Whoops. The. The short. How do I write short? Sh, or, t. 3 sounds. Sh, or, t. Sh. Special friends, sh. Underline your special friends, remember? Sh, or, t. The short black. Count the sounds for black. B, l, a, k. 4 sounds. B, l, a, k. That k at the end is a special friend. B, l, a, k. Finger space, leave a space. Black. B, l, a, k. B, l, a, k. The short black. I can't fit it on here. I've got to go underneath. Horse. Who can tell me how many sounds in horse? Or, s, horse, horse. 3 sounds. 3 sounds in horse. Can you remember the special friend at the end? Let's write horse. Or, s, h, or, s, horse. What goes at the end of a sentence? Full stop. Read it with me. The short black horse. The short black horse. Pause the video. Go and see if you can write that. The short black horse. Go see if you can write that one for me. The short black horse. Pause the video. Right, have you managed to do it? Have a look at mine. The short black horse. Check yours. If it's right, brilliant. If you need to correct it, that's absolutely fine. You can do that as well. Well done, everybody. That was a tricky sentence to write there and some really tricky words to read. But you did brilliantly today. Well done. Remember, whatever you do, take a picture of it and put it on Class Dojo so that your teachers can see. And I will see you again on Friday, hopefully. Bye-bye.